Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samira. We need to work hard to cultivate gratitude. Guys, do you remember the flare skirt we made before? Here is the top. So this is what we are going to work on today. Please hit the subscribe button to subscribe, like, share and comment. Turn notification bell to get notified to see my sewing tutorials. Guys, if you have your fabric there with you, why not bring it out? Cut along with me. Let's dive in. So I went ahead to fold my fabric into 4 pieces because I'm cutting the front and the back piece together, and that means I'm going to cut everything at once. So I'll be adding my zipper side by 1 inch. So I'm going to draw a straight line to connect the lines together. So from my shoulder to my chest line, I'm going to mark 8 inches. So that's the 8 inches for my chest line. So I'm going to also connect it together, the marks. I'll be marking my shoulder now, so I'm going to mark 7.5 inches. So that's for my shoulder line, so it's by 7.5 inches. So I'm going to also connect it together. So this style that we are making is a simple style. It's going to have canoe neckline, and it's a simple top that you can wear on your high waist jean, on your high waist flare skirt like mine. So I'll be marking my neckline now by 5 inches. I will go down by 2 inches for the depth of my neckline. Then I'm going to give a curve. After that, on my chest line, that's where I'm going to mark my bust measurement, and it's by 34 inches. Then I'll be adding 1 inch for my sewing allowance. I'll go ahead now to slope my shoulder by ½ inch. So I'm going to use my ruler to slope it down. Right now, I'll be covering my armhole by 1.5 inch. So I'll be using my ruler also to give a curve. That's for my armhole. I'll be going down to my waistline, so I'll be marking 26 inches. I will also add 1.5 inch for my stitching allowance. After that, I'm going to connect all the lines together. And guys, we are using floral fabric to achieve this style that we are making. So we have made the skirt, it's a flare skirt, so you can also check it out. So at my hemline area, I'll be covering it by 1 inch. So I'm going to use my hands to curve it a bit, as you can see me doing in the video. Then my back neckline depth, I'm going to mark 1 inch. So I'm going to mark 1 inch, then I'll give a curve for that also. That's for the back depth neckline. So after that, I'm going to connect it, and I'm going to also cut it out. This tutorial is very simple to understand, but if you find it difficult to understand, you can watch the video again, and if you have any question, you can also drop it in the comment section below. I'm going to respond to your question. If you have any suggestion, you can also drop it also in the comment section. Okay, so guys, the length of my top is by 17 inches. So I'll go ahead now to cut the hemline. The excess that we are having there, we are going to cut it out now. So I'm still cutting. So don't forget that we are cutting the front and the back all together. So that was why we folded it into 4 pieces. So that's the armhole area that I'm cutting now. So please don't forget to subscribe. If you have not subscribed, please you can just subscribe now, and you can also turn notification bell to get notified to see my sewing tutorials that will be coming up on my YouTube channel. Don't forget, my name is Samira. So welcome to my YouTube channel. After cutting, I'll be stitching it, guys. So I've done that already. So to join my body parts together, I'll start by taking the measurement of my bust. So I'm going to divide it by 2. So I have 34 inches for my bust measurement, so I'm going to divide it by 2. So what I have is 17 inches, so that's what I'm going to mark as my bust measurement. Okay, so after that I'm going to go down to my waist measurement, which is by 26 inches. I will also divide it by 2, so I'm going to mark it now. So after marking it, I'm going to connect the lines together from my bust. I'll take it down to my waist measurement. So I'll be stitching on the line, as you can see me doing, and that's where I'm stitching running my stitch on. Okay, so next we are going to cut the sleeve. So I have my sleeve to cut now, so I folded it already. The folding is like an A-line shape. It's going to have a flare. So the length is by 17 inches. So that's for the length of the top. Okay, so I'm just cross-checking. While I'm going to curve the armhole by 1 inch. So that's for the armhole curve. Then the width is by 7 inches. Then the sleeve is going to have a little flare, so I marked 8.5 inches to make it to flare out. Okay, so then I'm going to curve it a bit at the hemline area of the sleeve by 1 inch. So after that, I'll just go ahead and cut it out. So after cutting, I'll head over to stitch the sleeve together. Then I'm going to also iron it. So after ironing it out, then I'm going to attach it to the top that we are making today. It's a simple top. Like I said, if you don't understand this tutorial, you have to watch this video again. Alright, so the style that we are making today, you can wear it on your high waist flare skirts like mine. You can also wear it on your high waist skirts, your jean. After this part, my top will be ready for you guys to see how beautiful it is. I have to stop here. I hope it was helpful to you. It's a little top that you can wear on your high waist flare skirt like mine. You can also wear it on your high waist jean. Remember to love yourself. Take good care of yourself. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Let's get your feedback. And also turn notification bell to get notified to see my next sewing tutorial that will be coming up on my channel. Be consistent. I love you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again.